SBET stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is Sharplink Gaming stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Looking at SBET, well, this is sick and very decent. Like the price corrected, went up 8% yesterday. I myself, like no one else has come even close to making 43,000 videos. It's all documented on my YouTube channel. But genuinely, like looking at SBET, I wanted to see a double break, mate, and I sort of saw the first one, but second one has never came here. Honestly, like 29.79 at the time. That's that. Here's the top here. And all I will be doing in the meantime is just still keep waiting for rules to be met in order for me to start, you know, doubling down on that. But like randomly buying is still not going to be the way that I will be doing things. I mean, I've got like 20 results here in the Discord, but without any sort of double break confirmation, or this is just the second break, there's just no way I'm going to buy. Simple. So if you want to stay tuned with SBET and want to get my money making blueprint and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free.